As you know, laser industry is getting more competitive nowadays. So our GQ laser is mostly focused on the main part, especially the innovation main part. The exchangeable shutter table is one of our exclusive pen table. This model is our AP model. This model has the, you can see the machine bed, curve-shaped reinforced arrow shaped is welded every 30 centimeter on the side to ensure durability, compression, and effectively. And you can see the cross beam. We select high quality aviation aluminum. The advantage of aluminum is long life using, good moving response, and have high lightweight. And you can see the part. On this model, we are equipped with a monitor system, which are more convenient for the worker to monitor the production process and to ensure the safe for the worker. And you can see the indicator light is installed on the top of the machine. And this part also can ensure the safe for operate. And this model is equipped with independent electrical control, and the independent electric control cabinet with designed aviation plugs, which could save your effort and time during the installation. So this is our AP model. Wow. This is 6 kilowatts to cut 6 millimeter carbon steel. If you have any requirement for to want to make a demo, please just let me know. I can let our engineer to help you finish that, and I can let our engineer to help you make a drawing. About the laser source, we can provide many different brands like the Rakers, IPG, and Max. This laser source we use Rakers. And by this, you can see this part, you can see the cutting speed. Okay, let's check the finished workpiece. You can see the finished workpiece. The surface is very clean and very smooth. If you want to cut other materials, just let me know. This material is carbon steel, and the thickness is 6 millimeter. Okay, this is our AP model. If you want to know more details, just let me know.